quick video on the TT. Yeah, was finally able to remove this. I got a new one ordered. What a pain in the ass. And speaking of pain in the ass, also this third brake lamp, this thing that sits under the spoiler, this I have to clean up. It's basically glued with this tape. Quite fun to replace. This panel comes off, and then inside the trunk more panels removed. Obviously this has a cable that runs through the trunk to an actuator right there, so that had to be disconnected. The tail lights, they're all working right now. I did replace all the light bulbs on this one, and I soldered a ground wire because the pin in this one is melted, or was melted, and Audi already replaced it once, so it's basically inadequate wiring gauge. You see that pin on the bottom right? That's the one that melts. Kind of hard to see it, but bottom right has a little browning going on. So this is the factory fix. Obviously you can replace this wiring all the way to whatever. It's a ground wire, so what I did last time, I gave it a separate ground wire. I had just twisted it around the bar, the bus bar, but right now I actually took the soldering gun and welded it. I soldered it to it, and then that wire goes here to the battery ground. Right there is also a chassis ground. That wire goes, so it goes, has a direct path to the tail light. So as of right now, the turn signals, I'll just put my hazard lights on. Oh wait, I should probably reconnect it. So there's that. Let me cycle the key real quick. Okay. So that's the turn signals on this side, and then these are the reverse lights, and then the other two are the parking lights when they are dim, and then the brake lights. Let me stop the turn signals, put my foot on the brake, and put the key on. And press the brake pedal. Forgot about that. There. So, brake lights when the brake is on. When the brake is off, they become parking lights. It's a single filament, so it's just being pulse width modulated. Higher duty cycle for brighter, lower for dimmer. So everything's working right now as far as the taillights go. I got some parts in for a tune-up. I just wanted to diagnose this real quick and order the parts I needed, which I did. Then I'm gonna put the car in the air and give it a once over and see what else I find. I've already switched the cluster to miles from kilometers. So I believe that is it. 5-minute video. Whew.